guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're going to be working here on a Ford and we're going to show you how to disconnect the fuel line, what special tools you need and how to do it. Quite a few videos coming guys. Okay, as you can see, we just picked that BMW from Copart car auction. Check out the video guys, really good deal, and we'll have weekly Copart specials coming very soon. So this is the two that we'll be using, Ford or Mazda. I forgot to mention, Mazda is, most of them are almost the same way, will be the other way. So stay with us, we're going to show you, we'll demonstrate on that Ford Fiesta. We're going to find the fuel pump fuse, we'll pull the fuse out and let it run until it runs out of gas. That way we will not have any pressure in the fuel line. This way we can reduce the risk of getting fuel on the engine or spraying fuel on us and setting the car on fire. Never ever do that when the engine is hot, always do it on a cold engine. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to open the hood now, and the first thing that we're going to do, okay, we're going to open the fuse box, and this one will minimize the risk for spilling fuel. Some people do not do that, I prefer to be a little bit safe. Okay, so fuse number 11 guys, okay, you can see on the back side, number 11 right here, it should be this fuse, I believe. Yep, is for the fuel system. So we're going to grab it, pull it out. What we're going to do now, we'll go ahead and start the car, and by starting the car we're going to use all the gas that's in the fuel system already. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll start it until the car actually dies. Okay, you'll see that way you don't have any pressure in the fuel system, just like you ran out of gas. Okay, you can see it's still running. Okay, it started missing a little bit now, so it's going to die any minute now. Wow, that's crazy how long it can go on gas just that's in the fuel now, and it died. So perfect, we're out of gas now, so we can proceed with the next step. After that you have to disconnect your battery, and it matters how you disconnect it. If you want to know how to do it right, if you don't know, check out the video, it's on our channel guys. Now that's the tool that we'll be using, and this is the fuel line. Check out the fuel line right here. So I've seen people, okay, trying to stick a, okay, let me get the light, screwdriver or something like that, and you will damage it. Later it will not get tight, and it's under high pressure, so it will come off. You spray gas on hot engine, you can set the car on fire. So we're going to get the two now. Only one of them fits really good. Okay, you can see this is loose, so this is not good. We need to find one that's a little bit smaller. Okay, this one right there. Let's check it out. Okay, you can see how good it fits on the pipe. Next, you need to grab on the back side, push it in, okay, and now you need to push the, okay, the fuel line disconnect tool all the way in, and then you start pulling the line out. Now it can still spray fuel. Wear glasses, eye protection, gloves. Okay, be careful. Okay, in our case it didn't. It has a little bit of fuel, but you can see it didn't spray any. And when you're ready to connect it, all you have to do, push it in until it clicks. You can see this is the whole procedure guys. So you can see how easy it is to remove. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and many more videos to come.